This one. Looky. This is high.
Mom says heat it in
Come on.
200.
180, darling. 180. We're in Australia. We're not in America. Turn it down. Turn it on. Twist it. Yeah, you're going. 180. Read it. You go have to look at that. Where's 180 there? Okay. Our oven is dirty. That's it. 180. Is it right?
Yeah?
Perfect. Then. So.
But
Luke wants a brownie and we're just doing the cheap brownie, the one in the box. Because I couldn't be bothered measuring and doing things today. We're making 4 brownies today, like 4 boxes of brownies. Because we're making some Dubai chocolate to take to Mary Barrow. You get it, scissors, please.
Sure.
What are you doing? You tell me what you're doing.
I'm opening it.
Pour it slowly. And then, I presume this is 80 grams. 4 tablespoons. Oh, you can put it in the microwave for only 30 seconds. Otherwise, it splatter everywhere. Open it, Alak. It doesn't open like that. Be careful. Break it. No. Not yet ready, anak. It's not cracked. Okay. Okay, open it. Ooh. Shells there? No shells?
No?
Okay, good.
There, let's put the shells in the bin.
The other one. Ooh. Okay. Wash your hand.
Now, do I just
Shell drop.
I'll mix it?
Scrape it out. All out. No. All of it. Scrape it with this one. Oh. Don't waste the butter. You need it. Otherwise, it's not gonna be good. All of it, Loki.
Is that enough?
You want me to help? Like this, darling. We're Filipinos, okay? We don't waste a single drop.
Alright. I'll mix that.
Okay, you can mix it. Just gentle, okay? Gentle. Careful. Don't stir too much. Just slightly, that's fine.
Oops.
Yeah, that's alright. We'll clean it there.
Okay, sorry for that mess.
Sure, but I help, okay? And then you can stir it. Stay there, sit down. Don't lick your hand. There's some eggs on it. It's raw. Oh. Mom made a mess.
That's okay, Mom. We'll clean it. Your mix done?
Not yet.
Why not?
Are you in a hurry?
What?
I think we need some more butter. You stirred it. I'm going to get some more water. Butter. Come on, go.
We should
Stir.
melt it again.
Yeah, we'll melt it. Just do that. Do your part.
I was about to melt it.
Just do it. Mix it. Keep mixing, otherwise it's going to be hard.
I'm trying. I am mixing it, Mom. I'm trying.
Okay. You're doing well.
What's wrong?
Nothing. It's not melted yet. Just do your job.
Okay. I'll do my job. I'm trying to do what I am trying, Mom. I'll mix it.
Yeah, I'm just going to take it all. Mix it.
Only milk, Mom.
No, we don't need milk. We didn't say milk here. Only eggs and butter, okay? You have to follow the instruction.
Okay.
Want mommy to help?
No, I got it.
Do that, I'll clean, okay?
Okay. I'll think
Keep
about it.
staring. Keep staring.
I'm trying. Mom, look, it looks like chocolate batter.
Yeah.
Is that batter?
So,
The butter.
we have to hurry
Alright,
so we can put it in the oven.
let's melt the butter first.
No, that's for the other ones. This is not for this. When you put too much butter, it's gonna be yuck, oily.
Here, I'll do that.
Well, you just talk. Mix it properly. Stop talking.
Hi, Daniel. Look what I'm doing.
Can you wake up Alex, please? He needs to do the lawn. You can shower with your head up. Okay, let me do it. Alex, it's getting late with the... Look. Look what you want.
Alex, you couldn't mow the lawn now before it gets too hot.
Okay. Okay, do you want to pour it here?
Sure.
It's alright, you just make mess. It's alright, we'll wash it. I'll hold it, you scrape it. Come on. Be careful, slowly.
I'll hold it too.
Right.
The bowl properly.
Mhm.
It's gonna drop.
I'm holding it.
What are you making, Lukey?
Brownies.
Mmm.
Just gonna eat it all. Not okay.
No, I won't.
Are you sharing?
Yeah?
You gonna give some to me?
Yeah. Daniel, could you take me to the park with your friend today?
Well, is he coming?
If he wants to.
It's gonna be hot.
Stay here.
Huh?
I thought he was gonna stay here.
It's gonna be hot.
Can you take
Are you
me
gonna
there?
are you gonna go with Daniel? And I'll pick you up later from there. So you don't have to walk too
Can
hard.
you drive us?
Yeah, well, you're gonna have to go with Daniel. He's walking.
Walking down.
Are we gonna make it?